Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know that why have you clicked on this video, and I wanted to do like a short story time of how I actually ended up in Prablin's wedding and how I'm related to it. मुझे actually vlog इसका बनाना था, but the reason I didn't make a proper vlog was when we actually attended the wedding. There were so many people, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा that since it is a private event, I didn't really wanted to vlog. मुझे ऐसा I don't know, from I had an inner instinct like it was not right, just recording everybody. You never know, some people may not be comfortable with it, but there were I noticed 2-3 girls who were vlogging and they were content creators. पर मुझे ऐसे लगा कि मुझे नहीं बनाना चाहिए, but then later I felt if I would have made it would have been better. But still, I'm making this short story time video of how everything took place and everything, and I have छोटे clips of the wedding and some shots and everything that I've taken. So let's get started. So firstly I want to start by that okay, let's just start from the scratch. So this was Diwali ke ekdam pehle, where Prablin's father, he comes at our place and gives us the invitation. At first I didn't knew him. He's basically from my grandfather's side. So Prablin is my grandfather's cousin sister's granddaughter. This is how we are actually related. तो वो मेरी cousin हुई. Maybe you can call it a long distance cousin, but still she is my cousin. And when her dad came, he gave us the invitation and everything. My grandmother knew him क्योंकि पहले ना my grandmother and grandfather बहुत उन लोग का मिलना जुलना होता था, and they used to visit their family a lot. And obviously that time Prablin was very small, so obviously she didn't recognize them. And मेरे grandfather grandmother, they didn't even come to the wedding because it was in Powai. We live in Borivali, so obviously there's इतना वो travel अभी नहीं कर सकते. And plus, please, you know about the Mumbai traffic. I can't literally say anything about it. हाँ, तो क्या हुआ, he gave the invitation and everything, and my was like, okay, I don't know them, so it is a very normal thing if you don't know the family. I don't know, my grandparents know, तो मुझे नहीं, I didn't knew them, so I was like, okay, कोई ना कोई तो चले जाएगा and everything, we don't have to go and everything. But the main thing starts the very next day. So I was studying in my room. My mom was in the hall. She was दिवाली की preparations और वो सब हो रही थी किचन में, मिठाई बन रही थी and everything. And I'd come out of the room to take a 5-minute break, and I was just strolling in the hall, ऐसे ही just seeing. So मेरी आँख invitation पे पड़ती. I was just going through the invitation. Yeah, this is the invitation card. पूरा एक उन्होंने एक box दिया था invitation का with the dry fruits and everything, which I don't want to really show. But yeah, this was the invitation. मैंने नाम वाम कुछ नहीं, I was just checking how pretty and elegant, simple था. पर मेरी आँख पड़ती है on this postcard. So the postcard actually has their picture on it, and this is when जब भी मैंने postcard को देखा, I was like, wait, I've seen this couple somewhere. Okay, and I watch a lot of vlogs of Prablin and Rahul, and after seeing their photo on this, I checked the name. It's like Prablin and Rahul, and for that moment I literally screamed in the house, and मैं थोड़ा blank हो गई थी. I'm like, wait, there's no possible way that I can get an invitation from Prablin and Rahul. I screamed. Mom and my daddy's like, what happened, why are you screaming? And then I'm like, okay, I'll tell you the exact words what I told. I'm like, I know them, I watched their vlogs and I know them. Oh my god, मैं थोड़ी starstruck हो गई थी at that moment. It was a little bit unbelievable कि wait, मुझे और प्रबलीन से what is the connection, our family और प्रबलीन के family से क्या connection है. and then everything, grandmother told me how are we related and everything. So for that moment I was so excited and I thought कि अभी तो मुझे wedding attend करनी ही पड़ेगी. Obviously she turned out to be my cousin, why wouldn't I attend it? So yeah, I had become so excited. I have tried multiple times of DMing her and everything in excitement, but obviously they get so many messages तो उनका reply नहीं आता है. But probably if you're watching this video, the wedding was so dreamy and I love you so much. I have been a very big follower of you since a very long time, and plus I'm not just saying it randomly. Why I like her? Because जो भी वो reviews या जो भी content she creates, I feel it's very real and raw. There are very few creators who are such like that. Even though अगर मैं example दूँ, she is doing a product review, it's not every time you have to give a fake review about everything कि wow this is so nice. If it doesn't suit her skin, she straight बोल देती है it's not suiting my skin. One more thing that I really like about her is obviously she talks on some taboo topics that everybody isn't comfortable talking around, especially about girls and PCOD, PCOS, which is not that easy to talk on camera about it. Also the way she is so confident on camera, showing her body figure and the clothes that she tries on, and I don't understand ki people, how do they have the audacity to actually comment bad and discouraging things to such people. But anyways, let's keep it aside. So I was obviously very excited to attend the wedding, and it was me and my mom who were about to attend her wedding. My dad couldn't attend because it was a weekday और वो office का time होता, and like since his office is in Matunga and we had to go to Powai, so obviously even after office it would have been impossible to from Matunga to literally coming to Powai बहुत time लग जाता. It was me and my mom and my sister Sehaj and her mother Goldie Chachi, I call her, she had joined us. So obviously एक company भी हो गई थी मेरे sister के साथ. There was one more thing that really excited me. Now since we are going to Prableem's wedding and she is a famous content creator, तो obviously उसके जो bridesmaid, उसके जो friends है are also going to be content creators. तो मुझे एक और reason मिल गया जाने के लिए. So I will be able to engage and meet the creators that I love, and I know कि उसके best friends are firstly Janvi Bhatia and Muskan Chanchali. Oh my god, I love you so much. And Shalini Kutty, and surprisingly I met them. But there were other bridesmaids also जो I couldn't recognize them because they had makeup on and they were looking so different and so beautiful. मुझे उन लोग के साथ भी फ़ोटो खिंचवानी थी, but I don't know, I just couldn't recognize them. तो मैंने सिर्फ मुस्कान, जानवी भाटिया and Shalini के साथ मैंने फ़ोटो खिंचाए, and obviously Prableen of course. And yeah, I also have some shots of me getting ready. Obviously that is the most important part. I had to show my makeup and how I looked, my outfit and everything, and I obviously wanted to show you the traffic, the very bad Mumbai traffic. ज़्यादा कुछ मैंने इतने shots नहीं लिए थे, as I told you, for some privacy concerns. Now when we attended the wedding, हम लोग venue पहुँचे and right सामने Prableen खड़ी थी, and I think so her bridesmaid and her friends were standing, and I was like starstruck. I was just thinking कि oh my god मुझे फ़ोटो चाहिए. I'm sorry, I'm acting a bit, I am a fan, yeah, come on, any fan would do this. हम लोग अपने Uber से निकले and we were walking towards the venue. We kind of didn't look at her. Obviously it would have felt a little awkward. तो वो रेडी हो रही थी, शी वॉज एक्चुअली गेटिंग रेडी फॉर हर ब्राइडल एंट्री. तो हम लोग सीधा, मी, माई चाची, माई सिस्टर, माई मम, हम लोग सीधा ऊपर हॉल में गए. वी मेट एवरीबडी, आवर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली विद दी फैमिली वॉज ऑल्सो ओवर देयर. एंटर करते ही आई एंड माई सिस्टर सहज, वी वर लाइक तुझे जो भी इन्फ्लुएंसर दिखेगा जस्ट ट्राई टू स्पॉट देम सो वी कैन पहले ही जस्ट क्लिक फोटोज़ विद देम. एंड देन क्योंकि वंस ब्राइडल एंट्री हो जाएगी ना, वी वोंट गेट टाइम बिकॉज ऑल हर ब्राइड्समेड would be with Prableen, and you just can't disturb them during their moment and everything. Just before the bridal entry, we spotted Janvi Bhatia, and they were looking so beautiful, we couldn't even recognize them. तो उसके साथ एक फ़ोटो खिंचवा ली एंड शी वॉज सो स्वीट, शी वॉज लुकिंग सो ब्यूटिफुल. उसको मिले एंड एवरीथिंग. देन तो फिर उसके बाद जस्ट 5 मिनट्स आफ्टर दैट प्रबलीन की ब्राइडल एंट्री होती है. एंड ओ माई गॉड, आई वाज सो डिसअपॉइंटेड बाय दिस वीडियो दैट आई टुक. क्योंकि क्या हुआ, आई वाज जस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग हर बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंड वाज आई वाज रिकॉर्डिंग हर ब्राइडल एंट्री, और वो एक्चुअली किसी के टर्बन पे फोकस हो गई थी. सो द मेन, जब भी वो मेरे कैमरा के पास आई, एवरीथिंग जस्ट गॉट ब्लर्ड एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ. और किसी ने, मतलब मम्मी ने या किसी ने रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं किया. एवरीथिंग आई वाज रिकॉर्डिंग. सो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द थिंग दैट आई वाज वेरी वेरी अपसेट अबाउट, कि मुझे वो ब्राइडल एंट्री अच्छा उसका शॉट ही नहीं आया. बट देन एनीवेज आफ्टर द ब्राइडल एंट्री दोनों ने वो वरमाला पहनाया एक दूसरे को. एंड जस्ट लुक एट दिस वीडियो, इट हैज़ कम आउट सो गुड. आता है टाइम वेयर आई स्पॉट मुस्कान चंचलानी एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, शी इज़ देयर. मुझे ना एक्चुअली आई नो मुस्कान इज़ प्रबलीन्स बेस्टेस्ट फ्रेंड, तो मुझे पता था दैट शी इज़ गोना बी देयर एंड आई हैव टू गेट अ पिक्चर विथ हर बिकॉज आई अडोर हर सो मच. सो आई हैड अ पिक्चर विथ हर. वी हैड अ स्लाइट 2-minute टॉक that how are you and everything, and तुम्हारे videos ही नहीं आ रहे हैं and everything. And somewhere I felt like I'm kind of embarrassing myself by talking just too much and opening up with somebody. I don't know, ये मेरी thinking थी. I know it's okay. I was a little starstruck back then and it was a fan moment for me. But yeah, that's मुस्कान के साथ एक और I want to share. Later on after dinner and everything, I and my sister had actually gone to the restroom and I was alone waiting for my sister. तो मुस्कान आती है. I was alone waiting for my sister and मुस्कान comes in and we are like hi, how are you once again. And then वो अपना मिरर में थोड़ा टच अप कर रही थी and I was just adoring her dress and everything, and she's like how's life going and everything, and what do you do, and me, do you know what my answer was? I was like nothing, I am a part-time YouTuber. That was my answer. I could have given a better answer. I could have said I have just passed TY and now I'm doing a course. I want to do something in finance and accounting and I also make YouTube videos for time pass. I could have given a better answer, पर मेरी मस्ती तो देखो, मैंने सिर्फ बोल दिया मैं पार्ट टाइम यूट्यूब कर लेती हूँ बस. I didn't feel like that was an appropriate answer. It was a funny answer instead. हाँ, वो एक मोमेंट मिल गया था to actually have a solo conversation with her. फिर बाद में कुछ 2-3 आंटियाँ आ गई तो बात करने को नहीं मिला. But yeah, overall the party was really nice. And then I also had an instinct where I felt like Shalini should have come. And then I spotted her in such a beautiful green dress. And obviously I love the makeup that Shalini does. I feel like it's a no nonsense videos that she does, straight to the point, no overacting, kuch nahi. That's why I love her so much and she was so sweet to me. And real life में तो और भी pretty लगती है. Oh my god, her skin, man. See, come on. Yeah, these guys, beauty creators have literally taught me how to do my makeup. आजकल मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा compliments मिलते कि मैं मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा करती हूँ, more than many people. It's all because of these beauty people who influence us. One last thing that I would like to share, which was I have no words to describe this, but so dinner ho gaya and everything. Me and my sister, we go to the washroom, and क्या होता है, आफ्टर प्रबलीन एंड राहुल ऑल द पिक्चर्स एंड एवरीथिंग जो फेरे वेरे होते हैं, शी स्ट्रेट कम्स टू वेयर आर फैमिली वॉज सिटिंग. हम लोग लास्ट में हमारी पूरी फैमिली ना साथ में बैठी थी, एंड ऑब्वियसली वी हैड अ दादी जी हु कुडंट वॉक, तो प्रबलीन सीधा आके उनको मिलती है, एंड शी सिट्स फॉर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 5 to 7 minutes. एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम मी एंड माई सिस्टर वर इन द वॉशरूम. यही तो चीज़ थी, हम लोग आए थे टू मीट प्रबलीन, और वो 5 मिनट के लिए आए एंड वी वर ऑन द वॉशरूम. चले गई वो जब भी हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट आए हम लोग के फैमिली के पास. सो व्हेन वी केम आउट ऑफ द वॉशरूम, माई मॉम इज़ लाइक कम हियर फास्ट, प्रबलीन अभी आई थी एंड व्हेन यू ऑल केम शी जस्ट वेंट अवे. Everybody was like, what were you all doing in the washroom for so long? Half an hour, what were you all doing in the washroom? वो आई, वो चली भी गई. You all could have taken a photo, you all could have taken a video. She was talking with all of us. My mom is like, I told her our daughters have gone to the washroom. They wanted to meet you so bad. They love you so much. And Prableen is like, no, don't worry, I'm going to come back again over here. We हम दोनों आए, me and my sister, we came, and when we heard this कि Prableen was sitting for almost 5 minutes and talking to दादी जी, and I literally lost hope. Wow, जिसके लिए आए थे, हमारी कज़न के लिए, उसको मिलने के लिए आए थे, वो ही आके 5 मिनट बैठ के और वो चली गई. So that moment I was like, वाओ, 5 मिनट जल्दी आ जाती बाहर तो काश उसके साथ थोड़ा एंगेज करने का मौका मिल जाता. ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम व्हेन शी वेंट, शी वाज एक्चुअली इन दी पाउडर रूम डूइंग सम टच अप फॉर क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स विथ everybody. My mother spotted her. She comes out after having all the touch up done और सीधा भागे उसके पास. Me, my sister, mom and my चाची, and we met her and everything. हमें इंट्रोड्यूस कराया दैट वी आर हर कज़न्स, एंड मैंने जस्ट हियर व्हाट आई सेड yes, we are your cousins, but more than cousins, I'm your biggest fan. I'm following you since a very long time. I don't know, I have a problem when I just get too excited. मैं कुछ भी बोल जाती हूँ, and obviously I really felt embarrassed about this. I could have said something better that but नहीं, फिर से मेरी मस्ती तो देखो. You know what I said? I said, when I received your invitation card, I literally screamed like, oh my god, I didn't believe that I got an invitation from Prableen. And she was like, oh really, and I'm there उसके सामने embarrassing myself. But anyways, let's skip the rant session. It was such a beautiful wedding. I enjoyed a lot, and obviously now abhi she's a part of our family, तो कभी ना कभी आगे जाके she'll meet us and everything. She was looking so beautiful. Everybody were looking so beautiful. Creators में तो obviously now they create beauty content, and some of them, मैं घर जाके उन लोग का social media check करी थी. There was the Sass thing over there. I actually forgot her real name. Elisha was over there, and so many other जो मैंने recognize ही किया. They were looking so pretty. I could have taken a picture with them, but mom said, ज़्यादा लालची मत हो जा. It is okay. who you recognize, ले लिया ना फ़ोटो उनके साथ, enough. It's okay. It's fine. Everything was super well done. हमारी फैमिली थी, बहुत बातचीत हुई थी. After very long time I was meeting my Virdi family, and the dinner was also very nice. Everything took place really nicely. The fairas, and we had a female pandit, which was very unique to see and very मतलब अच्छा लग रहा था देखने को. We had a lot of fun. It was a one-time experience to attend such a wedding where there are people who you adore, who you have been following since a very long time. So yeah, this was a short story time that I wanted to share, because मैंने 2-3 शॉर्ट्स शेयर किए थे which had reached a good amount of views. So I thought let's give you an extended kind of story time about how and everything took place and how I ended up becoming her cousin, how am I related to it and everything. And yeah, that was it. It was super fun. And probably if you're watching this, congratulations and all the very best for the new beginning to Rahul as well. So focus Prablin पे जा रहा है, Rahul as well. And yeah, also one more thing I wanted to say, this shadi had reminded me of two states of South Indian and Punjabi. So Prablin is Punjabi and Rahul is Telugu. So हाँ, मुझे two states की याद दिला रहा था. Yeah, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. I know I'm making really less videos. I am stuck with so many exams. Abhi next month is my entrance exam, so I've been preparing for that. Otherwise, I have so much good content to make related to my small business and some trips and everything. Small business related ज़्यादा, because small related के जो queries मुझे ज़्यादा आते हैं. So yeah, don't worry, मैं थोड़े थोड़े करके बनाती रहूँगी. Until then, yeah, bye bye and thank you so much for watching. I'll try my best to upload many videos I can. ये वीडियो ऑलमोस्ट जो मैं रिकॉर्ड करूँ 30 मिनट्स के ऊपर चला गया. So yeah, take care everybody and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.